Question number 31. What is the result when 7 kilograms 7 gram, that is 7.007 gram, is subtract from 9 kg? Subtract from 9 kg minus in 1000 7 is subtract, we get 993. 7 8 9 minus 8 is 1. 1.993 is our answer. Answer number 3. Question number 32. The smallest 4-digit number which is multiple or divisible of 6, 7 and 4 is. The divisibility test of 4 is last 2-digit number which is divisible by 4. 6 is not divisible by 4 and 2 is also not divisible by 4. So this is cancelled. 6, that is 3 and 2. Divisibility test of 3 is the sum of all figures, that is 1 plus 8 is 9, that is which is divisible by 3, and this is 1 which is not divisible by 3, that is 6. So our answer is 1008. And divisibility test of 7 is last 2-digit number is 08 and in 100 place is 10, multiply by 2. 2 times 10 is 20 and 8, 28. 28 is divisible by 7, so 1800 is also divisible by 7. Question number 33. The product of predecessor of 201 is 200 and the successor Woolworthy 4782 is. Multiply 00 2 2 4 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Is our answer. Question number 34. How many planks, takte, fatke of size 2 meter, 35 centimeter and 8 centimeter be made from the wooden block 8 meter long, 70 centimeter wide, 70 centimeter and 40 centimeter thick motai. So the quantity is 2 times 4, 35, 2 times 35, 8 times 5 is 40, 4 times 2, 10, multiply by 4 is 40, 40 is our answer. Number 35. Students feel difficulty in solving division problem, bhag problem, because there are no informal way of solving division problem. This is wrong. भाग की समस्याओं को हल करने के लिए कोई अनौपचारिक कलन विधियाएं नहीं होती है. Second, for solving division problems, students need to know addition, subtraction and multiplication thoroughly. This is our correct answer. भाग की समस्याएं हल करने के लिए ये आवश्यक है कि विद्यार्थी जमा, घाटा और गुना करना अच्छी तरह से जान ले. Third, students do not like the sign of division. This is not. Division problem has no utility, mufid in daily life. This is also not correct. Number 36. Radha walks 3 kilometers 725 meters. That is 3.725 kilometers. Per day on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. That is 3 days. Whereas she walks 2 kilometers and 5 meters per day on Tuesday and Thursday. That is 2 days. And this is 2.009 kilometers. 3 times 5 is 15 and 2 times 9 18. 5 plus 8 is 13. So our answer is first. Question number 37. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to concept of fraction? That is 2 by 5. Number first, the mathematical notation of fraction can be represented as ratio. This is correct. This is right on 2:5. It represented a part of whole which is greater than 1. This is not correct because if we take 5 by 2, this is 2.5. This is greater than 1. But 2 by 5 is 0.4 which is less than 1. This is proper fraction. This is improper fraction. Number third, the mathematical notation of fraction can be represented as division problem. This is also correct. It represented a part of collection of same object. This is also correct. So second is our answer. Question number 38. Which of the following data has two lines of the symmetry? This is 1, this is 1 and 2. Our answer is H. This is only 1, this is also 1. Question number 39. Which of the following is most appropriate for including open-ended question in mathematics class? Number first, answer to these questions are not given in the book. These questions takes more time to solve. These questions are not easy to copy from each other. Fourth, these questions develop critical thinking in students. Our answer is 4. Critical thinking. Question number 40. To find the value of this, we first find LCM. For finding 7, 14 and 8, the LCM 7 times 1, 7 times 2 and 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 7 into 2 is 14 times 4 is 56 is our LCM. Or write the multiplication of 14, 7, 8. So the first integer 56 is LCM of 14, 7, 8. So this is equal to 56. 7, 8 times 7 is 56. 14, 4 times is 56 and 8, 7 times is 56. Now this multiply by 4. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4 times 5, 20 minus 7 times 7 is 49. Calculate 30, 52 minus 49 is 3. 3 upon 56 is our answer. This is fourth. Question number 41. Which of the following has a definite plane? All side is indefinite. Sate. A line. Two side is indefinite. A line segment. Our answer is line segment. Kata. Ale. Swa. This is one side is indefinite. Our answer is third. Number 42. The difference of the place value of 5 and 7 in number. 5 that is in 50,000 and 7 is 10th place decade. Difference minus. Our answer is 49,930. Our answer is second. Number 43. A third standard student, when asked to write 105 in numeral form, she write it as 1005. This indicates that she is unique to learn the mathematics. Second, the student is slow learner. Third, she is mischievous. Fourth, she needs more help in understanding the concept of place value. Our answer is fourth. उसे स्थानीय मान की अवधारणा को समझने में और सहायता की आवश्यकता है. Number 44. What is the most appreciated cognitive skill? संज्ञानात्मक कौशल्या, इल्मी महारत that help students to recognize and group shape according to their attribute, sifat and property, खासियत. Number first, decomposition, शब्दों को हिस्सों में तोड़ना. Second, classify. Our answer is classify. Calculator, we can their attributes and property. All side is equal. Seriation, एक ही साइज. Fourth, conservation, शक्ल या सिलसिले में तब्दीली के बावजूद मिकदार एक जैसी. जैसे रेक्टेंगल, length is 30 and breadth is 10. Their area is 300. The another 15 into 20. This is conservation of shape, but area is same. Number 45. According to National Education Policy 2020, mathematics and computational thinking is to be given increased importance as. Number first, it can be a substitute for teacher. ये एक शिक्षक का स्थान ले सकती है. Second, it is most difficult aspect of learning in school. ये स्कूल में सीखने का सबसे कठिन पहलू है. Number third, it is fundamental to human survival. ये मानवीय अस्तित्व के लिए मूलभूत है. Number 4, it is fundamental to evolving technology like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning and data science etc. This is correct answer. ये AI, machine learning और डेटा साइंस आदि जैसी उभरती हुई टेक्निकों का आधार है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. Which of the following statements are true with respect to data handling? Number A. A histogram is used to compare the part of whole. This is wrong. Histogram is histogram and part of the whole is pie chart. Third, a bar graph. This is bar graph. Data that change continuous over period of the time. This is wrong. Line graph is continuous over period of the time change. Number 4. This is also a line graph is used to show that change continuous over period of the time. So our answer is second. A graphical representation of data is easier to understand when there is are trained or compared to be shown. आंकड़ों का आलेखों द्वारा प्रदर्शन समझने में बहुत आसान होता है जब भी आंकड़ों का रुझान या तुलना दिखानी हो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज लीस्ट appropriate about formative assessment, that is unit test, oral assignment and project in mathematics classroom. First, it provide cumulative evaluation that help to rank children. This is our answer. Second, to check the progress of student during instruction activity. This is not list. To identify student conceptual understanding. It helps to identify student misconception, गलतफहमी, भ्रांतियों, गलतफहमियों की पहचान कराने में मदद करता है और धर्मात्मक समझ, तस्वुराती समझ की पहचान करना, निर्देशात्मक हिदायत के दौरान विद्यार्थी की प्रगति की जांच करना, ये फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट के लिए मुनासिब है। ये संचयी मूल्यांकन उपलब्ध कराता है जो कि बच्चों की श्रेणीबद्ध कराने में सहायता करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 48, चॉइस द करेक्ट ऑप्शनल्स। फर्स्ट, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन grapes is 28 and those who like banana is 14. The difference is 14 is 16. This is wrong. Second, the number of the children who like mango is 44 and banana 14 is 2 times 4, 4, 8, 4, 5. The number of children who likes guava is 26 and 2 times is 52. This is also wrong. Number 3, 10 children do not like any fruit given in the table. Adults 8 plus 6 14, 18, 18, 20, 30, carry 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 14 and 4, 140, and there is 150 students. So 30 is our answer. 10 children do not like any fruit given in the table. Number 4, equal number of the children have apple and guava. Apple is 28 and guava is 26. This is not equal. So this is also not. Question number 49. Which one of the following is most effective way to introduce the concept of area, raqba, to 4th graders? Our answer is tessellation training to find the area of circle. This is tessellation method. Question number 50. A person withdrew rupees 4,560. If at the end of month balance is 3,125, add 5, 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 4 plus 3 is 7. And deposit 2567. This is minus. Carry 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. Carry 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. This is also 1. 2 is 5. 5118 is our answer. Question number 51. The missing numbers in pattern are respectively 14 minus 12 is 2, 17 minus 4 is 3, 17 minus 13 is 4, 13 minus 8 is 5, 14 minus 8 is 6, and 21 minus 7, 14 is 7, and 21 minus 8 is 13, and 13 minus 9 is 3. So our answer is 13 whole. Question number 52. Jasmine said a rectangle ayat has two pairs of opposite side parallel. This is one side parallel and this is second side parallel. A square is also two pairs of the opposite side parallel, and so do a parallelogram. This is parallelogram also. So both rectangle and square are also parallelogram. Jasmine is a super stage of Van Hille's theory of geometrical thinking. और आंसर इज रिलेशनशिप, संबंधों को समझना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. Which of the following is not related to Indian mathematics? बौधायन सुलभ सूत्र, लीलावती, चरक संहिता. This is based on Ayurvedic medicine, Surya Siddhant. So third is our answer. Question number 54. The sum of greatest and smallest 6-digit number that can be formed from the digit without repeating it. The greatest 6-digit number. So greater digit is 9 written in first. Second greater number is 8. Third is 6. Fourth is 5. Second is 2. And last is 0. And smallest digit number 9, 8, 6, 5. But if you get 2 and 0, then this digit number is 5 digit. So replace this. That is 0 is written first and 2 is in last. In previous there is minus, but here problem is sum. So add 9 plus 2 is 10, 11, 12, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11, 9, 2, 2, 0 is our answer. Question number 55. A primary class mathematics teacher gave his students the following problem to solve. How many classes of 28 pupils would be needed for a school of 616 pupils? One of the students solved the problem in following way. That is 616 divided by 28. One student is do one class is 28 pupils. So take 1 0. 10 class is 280. So and plus and 2 class is 56. So this is our structure of question. Which of the following is most appropriate for the algorithm used by the student? First, the student has used an incorrect algorithm to solve the problem. Wrong. Student solve correct. The student has used the associated law of division across addition to solve the problem. Wrong. There is no associative law of division. What is associative law? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is associate law. We can use also multiplication, but in division this is wrong. And here also associative law, this is also wrong. So third is our answer. The student has used the distributive law of division across addition to solve the problem. They distribute and add. Question number 56. Most second graders दूसरी कक्षा क्लास के अधिकांश शिक्षार्थी 4 कैनेडी और 3 कैनेडी जैसी दो मात्राएं जोड़ने में सक्षम होते हैं, लेकिन जब वर्कशीट पर 4 जोड़ 5 करने के लिए कहा जाता है तो अधिकांश वही शिक्षार्थी ऐसा करने में असमर्थ होते हैं। राष्ट्र पाठ 4 ये रूपरेखा 2005 के अनुसार इसका क्या कारण है? 1. शिक्षार्थी अमूर्त गणितीय प्रक्रियाओं के उपयोग के लिए तैयार नहीं होते हैं। इसे और आंसर द लर्नर आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द यूज ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मैथमेटिकल सिंबल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. A triangle having all sides of different length is called a scaling triangle. एक विषमबाहु त्रिभुज। Second, 4 is our answer. Number 58. A child wrong solved the problem. This is LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. What is the most appreciated inference drawn, that is result, done from this solution? First, child has extended the concept of addition of natural number to addition of fraction. Second, child does not know addition of number. This is our answer. Question number 59. According to National Curriculum Framework 2005, गणित के शिक्षकों को इस ओर ध्यान केंद्रित करने की जरूरत है। ए. प्रमोटिंग मेमोराइजिंग एंड रिगोरियस एल्गोरिथम, बढ़ावा देना याददाश्त याद करने का और सख्त एल्गोरिथम को। बी. मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग एंड लॉजिक, गणितीय तर्क विचार। बी इज करेक्ट। सी. becoming sole authority for right answer, or answer is only B, fourth. Question number 60. The sum of prime number between 31 to 60, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53 and 59. 3, 6, 10, 18, 28, 280, which is greater than, that is our answer is 311, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47 and 53, 59. This is 31. Question number 62. It is 10 a.m. now in India today. It is around noon, दोपहर Up today in Singapore at 2 hours 13 minutes. That is 10 plus 2, 12 hours 30 minutes is our answer. In London, minus 5.30 minutes. In Karachi, minus half hour. In Japan, plus 3.30 minutes. Question number 81. 30 जनवरी 2023 ट्रेन नई दिल्ली से 17 घंटे पर चली और 17 घंटे पर 31 जनवरी 2023 को बेंगलोर पहुंची, मतलब 24 घंटे। दिल्ली और बेंगलोर के बीच की दूरी लगभग 1776 किलोमीटर है, तो ट्रेन की पूरी यात्रा की औसत गति क्या होगी? डिवाइड बाय 24 7 times in 168 carry 9 and 4 times, so 47 is 74 is kilometer per hour is our answer.